am back, and today we are going to go over the I will need some stuff here under my knees. So we are going to test the pressure sensor because I'm not gonna I might have fucked it up, so I will have to do this. And going to live going to live it. We'll have to screw these out and then power them from the power supply so we get like a stable 12 volt, not with this bullshit bug fucker. Alright. So brown is the earth, or brown. Purple is the craft, the 12 volts. I'm going to have to put it somewhere along. Alright. We are not going to hook these up just yet. I'm just going to take them off if I can. Which one are they? This is the blue and the yellow. I don't know if I can. I have glued them on here as well. I think so. So that might not be the best case scenario. What I can do is that I will remove the power and every pin from here so that there is no connection to maybe the best thing that I could do maybe is that I would remove this, but as you can see that there is like a big glob of like fucking glue on it. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here, and maybe I'm just going to decrease the height. So what I'm going to do is that you don't see it because there's this op-amp board which is basically there to amplify the signal from the pressure sensor because it is really big. I'm going to reduce the amperage to 0.1 amps. I mean 0.1. If I give it power, I should be able to read some resistance, and without that I should be able to do resistance. So I'm basically debugging this bullshit right now and figuring it out if I can even. So this is beep. Yeah. Which one is which? I think this one. This and this should be. I think 20k. How much is this? 20,000. This is 4,900, I think. No. If we set it to 200, then we read 148 ohms, which may be not good. It's supposed to be kilo ohm range. You might not need to overthink this a bit or a much. What the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me? Fucking dog shit application. Great, you didn't even send it, you fucking dumbass. So I measured 148 ohms of resistance when it is off. I don't think that is what we want. Very not good, I suppose. I might will bring my other pressure sensor to see if that has this internal resistance as well. bleed. Yeah, so, oh, hello. I am testing the pressure sensor, but I think I have fucked this up. So I will grab another one. I just measured the internal resistance, and I don't think that's what we want. Yeah, I'm just going to get the other one. Is this fucking shit? Ah, this is a fucking... This is... I don't get it. Even the 3D printer is not working. Not good. Alright. Should start printing. Oh, finally, you fucking dumbass. Okay. So I'm just going to come back in a second. Need to get myself the other pressure sensor. What the fuck is up again? Why is this fucking... Oh my fucking god. Is this working? 260, 75. What the fuck is up again? It says the bed is 75 degrees. The shit is 260 degrees. Then what the fuck is not... I don't care. I don't understand. I don't get it. Like, what's up? Alright. I have the other pressure sensor here. This one is dead. We can officially say that. Well, I have learned one thing, that we might not, we must not be in like a rush and fucking measure out every single fucking measure the supply. Always measure fucking the supply voltage, because I have probably fucked this up. I don't know if I did it right now or if I did it another time. I will measure this as well. I hope this will be, and this is greater than 1 to 20 kilowatts. Yep, 172. So this is 1700 something ohms. With the 2K, I think we would be still in the range. Yes, 1060 ohms. So I think this works. This other one that I have not tested just yet has 1059 ohms of internal resistance. So I think this will do. So now I have to be very careful, because I will have to measure out the yeah, well, I guess I can then dehook this, or like take this off, meaning that I can just cut the guy off here, link him to the things. I mean, except I can actually do, yeah, this is dead, 50 bucks to the trash, which is quite a lot if being honest here. 50 bucks is, I mean, for me at least, I do not have a fucking salary, so I'm broke as fuck. I mean, I do have money, but I'm income poor, and I do not like to waste money on things that I could have done better, and this was honestly just fucking impatience and like, I guess a lesson that I had to pay for. I cut the whatever. This is dead anyways, so it will be good for a fucking heavy piece of garbage. I don't know, somewhere, put it somewhere into the trash. Yes, doesn't work shit now. Sad. Sad. Does this fit? I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't think so. Of course. Fuck you. Peeling this little pipe off. These are, annoying as fuck. Oh. Of course. finally. Alright, so if we, yes, the right one. This is the pressure point that we are actually caring about. Alright, I will have to supply him. I think I will take the legs apart. Don't care. Yeah. Alright, we only need these two. So the ground is the leg that has the little notch in it. And the third leg is the power. Alright. Alright. We should measure, what should we measure? The voltage. That should be 12 volts, 0.1 amps. Alright. The black is the green, which is, or the brown, which is 1. It's okay. The third one is that. Oh, we will have to measure it. Alright, put some craft on it. So we should be measuring 12 watts here. What? $5.87. $5.87. Right. I might gonna just take 2 wires. I might just going to yoink. Yeah, I think I'm just going to take 2 wires here and that are. Where the fuck did I go? Okay. Trying to we'll see. Trying to start the printing again, I guess. We get the I don't get it. 175. So yeah, we are heating up. Interesting if we will ever get to that point that you will be able to print it. Because I don't know why it does this. Nothing is easy, get used to it. So we need a signal wire. Right. Yeah, we need a signal wire, so that would be either brown and red is not a good way. No, because then it would be neither is this fucking white and like gray. What a garbage combination. You know what? I will do a red and white, because those are not used. So the red is going to be the V plus, or the source plus, which is the second pin. If I can get to it. Alright. This is just for now, not forever. I do not wanna put this on there and whatever. Have to be more gentle. I don't want to bend the pins even more. They are already bent. Fucking weak ass shit pins, man. Whatever. So a red and a white. So we should be able to measure the. I will take this and put it in my mouth. That's what she said. So I will power the guy on. We draw this 0.2 amps of current, and I will take the red here. If I can get it into my hand, take the red, take the pressure sensor, occlude then. I will need to somehow get the pin off that. This is harder than it actually should be. Hi. Where is hopefully. 87. It was with the other one is gone. Man, they're supposed to fucking go up. Might happen that the very interesting. Very interesting. So there is no voltage difference between the two. They are both 5.87 volts. Both the minus, source minus, and the source plus to ground. They are both 5.87 volts. But when I sucked on the tube, I mean when I pushed on the tube or like blew on the tube, there were nothing, no voltage change. But when I sucked on the tube and I created a negative pressure, then the positive leg decreased and the negative leg increased by 0.01 volts, which is not too much, but I suppose that's the range that we are looking for. I have had the multimeter on like 20 volts of range, so it might have like inaccuracy, but I think that we might be okay with that. So I might think that this will work. I'm not sure. So again, I have measured 5.87 volts on both the source plus and the source negative to ground, each to ground. And when I blew into the tube, there were nothing happening. But when I sucked on the tube, ground to source plus, or like the signal of the pressure sensor showed point 1 volt decrease, and when I sucked on the tube again, the negative increased from 587 to 588, the plus decreased to 586, which I think might be a good sign that the whole thing is working. I think it's just that I have set the voltage setting of the multimeter to 20 volts, so it has like accuracy. I at least have like a good feeling that it will work. Yeah, I think the problem with it is that the I think that the pipe is not sealing perfectly to it, or something like funky is happening. But it's supposed to seal, though I'm not too convinced. We have to zip tie it or some shit. Get my fucking saliva out of the tube. So after this is done, minus 50 bucks. Minus 50, which is not good. I will have to fiddle around with the... So what I will do now is actually read the summary of ChatGPT when it sent me. Okay, alright. Mm. $200 millivolts DC range. It has a 200 milli, at least something like 5 mils. Fuck below minus 5. So I mean it's supposed to... Hell. Alright. So I will power him on. Nothing is... Yes, we are working. So put the tubing on there. Yeah, I'm actually testing this little bitch pressure sensor. The other one is dead. And so if I take my red and white, which is this and this, I should be able to measure voltage. No voltage here. Fuck off. You fucking little retard bitch. This is right. So actually holding it in my mouth right now. Or blowing into the pipe. So we have like 1.2, 1.8 milliwatts of power, or voltage difference. 1.9 if I just squeeze my ass off. Yeah, we went up to like, I think it was like 6.7, but 5.5 on an average. Okay, that's pretty good. Alright, turn this bitch off. Okay, at least 1.9 was on the positive side, and minus 5.5 was common ground. So V plus, yes, these, I think I can like wire the guy up now. So these pins go to the right legs again. I have cut out a bit of them, but it's not too bad. Right, so yellow will be the plus, which is, I believe, this. If I kept my thinking to the color coding that I do have usually, you can't see jack shit. Plus, yes, the blue is the negative one for the code color. Alright, I will need a good old oh, it's not working again! But why the fuck is this bitch not working? Maybe the code is shit, or maybe the program is fucking shit. I will restart Kura. I don't think that they fucking... Restart, you fucking bitch. Kura will stop the print. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Fuck you. It's a wasted fucking 40 minutes of my fucking time, you bitch ass, you retard cunt. Sorry. Sorry for that one, but it's very annoying that I've been fucking retrying this shit on Environment Work for the fourth time. Okay. Hot glue. That's what I need. At least, if the other things are not working. At least fix the fucking little legs so that they don't come off the pins, because these DuPont wires are just the fucking worst, man, that they don't fucking want the justice. What is this? They just wanna always come off the board. Basically they have these little straight pins. These, where the fuck is the camera? These male pins, and they basically the female side just comes off like yoink, without any effort. So if you just put the goddamn DuPont wire on anything, it will just, with the least amount of tension in the wire, will yoink itself off for them. And it doesn't even have to come fully off, because I have witnessed a case when it was fully on the fucking pin but still had no contact, and it took me 2 fucking days to figure it out. So yeah, that was fucking annoying. These DuPont wires are just fucking annoying. Right, once that is being waited for, meaning the hot glue gun to heat up, almost done, or almost like there, I will show you what I did yesterday. Or I mean, partially what I did yesterday. This is it. So this is the blower that I will do a video about in the future sometimes when I will finish with this shit. Cause it will be, you can hold it in, you can hold the house with this little wires, I don't know what, like webs. Yoink. This is like candy, cotton candy type of bullshit here. You have to clean this and I probably shouldn't do this inside because it will. I have just vacuumed up the floor. I think it was yesterday when I did it. Oh, alright. Alright, so set up the scroll top to be printing. Sorry for that, but I do want to start this bitch because it has been 40 minutes and I can't fucking start this retard print. Alright, it's nice. Will take some time. So, yeah, this guy is done. I will make a video about it and I will clean this up so that I will be able to assemble the whole guy. And yeah, for now this will be done. I will take my take the board. I'll take this thing. I will hot glue it. Very annoying because the wires want to fucking come off all the time. Everybody is getting all kind of this. Alright, let me just glue you up, you little bitch. Let me do this. Oh, I might have fucked it up a bit. To be honest, to be fairly honest, might will have to clean this up. Or maybe I will just print here as you. I really fucking. You better fucking start printing, not fucking flashing, you dumbass fucking idiot. But what the fuck? What up? What the fuck is going on? Is there a problem or something? I don't know why this bitch is just. I don't know. Whole screen, info screen. I don't get it. Why does it? It usually. Yes. It would need to get up to heat, and then start doing the thing. Nothing is easy, man. I can't even fucking start printing. Yeah, 260 it said itself, but why the fuck then you don't want to like print? Hmm? Yes. Manage print tabs. It's supposed to fucking work. Machine settings. I'm really curious if it will do anything besides like. I think it usually does its thing by now. I don't know why it does this bullshit. I have to fucking figure that out as well, man. Oh my fucking god. What a fucking great time spending activity it will be to figure out why it doesn't wanna fucking print. Gets up to heat and it doesn't do jack shit. Just fucking blinks, but it doesn't do jack shit. Doesn't do jack shit. Understand? Stopped. But why the fuck are you stopped? Pause print. Resume print. Like, why the fuck are you paused, you dumbass? Stopped. But why? Why is this stopped? Pause, resume then. Why are you fucking stopped, you retard? Oh my fucking god. Very well. Great, I love it. Pause print, stop print, tool. Then what the fuck is this? Send speed, bed 70, nozzle. I honestly don't get it. What up? Stop printing. Yes. Info screen stopped. Alright. Great. But then print. Cannot print because you are in progress. Abort print then, you fucking bitch. Ready. Fuck you. I don't understand. It's supposed to tick, right? It usually lowers the fucking gantry. But it doesn't do it. Stopped. Period. Great. And turn this bitch off. Maybe connect the wires, some shit. It didn't do this until this fucking point. Had no problem whatsoever fucking ever. Now it just for some annoying fucking reason starts to do bullshit. I don't know why. Honestly. Just does stupid fucking shit. An hour went down the line. At least I have figured out that I am curious if we can do this. But if I will. This is the last time. If it will say it's stopped or some bullshit, then I will. Home bed heating. Alright, it is writing things out. Alright, at least that's a good thing. 175, 75. Okay, I will wait that. If it will like do its thing, then I will. If not, then I will. It's still blinking, which is might not be a good thing. But it says it's hitting the bed. We'll get there in a few seconds. Alright, it's supposed to be Tab, stop. And fuck yourself, you fucking dumbass cunt. Okay? At least that's out of the way. At least that we know that we do not have that. So next step, we should, I think, now connect the guy to this bitch 8620 and weigh in to 5 volts ground, common ground, VREF ground, V out multi. So it's supposed to be. Let's look at them. You can't see this because it wants to just fall off the board. So this supposed to be supplied with the power. Black is to brown, purple is to red. Alright. So this guy is going to be the output. Ref, we will measure these two. I will not connect them just yet. We will provide the craft. I will need some. Oh, I have the power supply. Thankfully has a USB port on it, so we will be able to power the guy up. We don't need any like thing. If I can put it into the USB port. We power this bitch. We power this bitch. So we should be able to measure the voltage on these two legs, and the difference is supposed to be around 2 volts or around something like that. And I take this into my mouth and I measure. I don't know. Let's see if anything happens here. Oh, nothing is visible. Oh, very well. Blowing into the pressure sensors to see if the wire is or it is working actually. So it should have some signal difference here, even greater than 2. Interesting. 2.8. No, not it. 2.8 volts. In March, bit of moving. 2.8, 7, 3. We are getting something, but not much. 2.86, 2.82. We went down to 2.82. If I blow it really hard. So I think we do have this working. We just need to crank up the voltage or the amplifier. If I can. This is where you need like definitely 3 hands. This also is like very unstable. Wait. I think this is the amp. We'll test if we went up. No, it's not the amp. No, it's not the amp. It's the base voltage. Yes, it's the base voltage. So this should be the amp then. Oh, you fucking bitch. Because there is the gain, which is this one actually. The other one is just the base voltage. Have we increased the gain a bit? Or maybe I have decreased it. 2.65. $74. Interesting. I will have to. No, this, how to say this, like bio pump is not working very well. The bio model is not working great. My saliva is getting to the tube as I'm like fucking salivating. And this shit is in my mouth. Suck it out. Right. So what I will do now is that I'm not going to so yeah, we have a good, I mean, I wouldn't say good, but some sort of measurable voltage difference in between the two legs, which I will. Oh, I wanted to see how much voltage do they put out when they basically shut down, because last time I checked it was something like 5 volts or some bullshit. When I turned the guy off, it went up to some crazy amount. 2 point. Fuck. Maybe I should do it with the right hand. Just like I don't have enough hands, as I always say. Fuck you. I don't have enough hands, and I don't want to touch the two guys. Don't want to short them either. This is annoying as fuck. How the fuck do I do this? Okay. 2.8 volts. Even if I turn it on, even if I turn it off. 2.8 volts of differential pressure. Right, if I just blow on the 2.8, if this shit wouldn't come off of my hand. 2.84. Interesting. Nonetheless, I will have to do something with it. I will take the power off of the Famous as well. We'll let them hang out here, do their job. I will take a dump and then come back and continue this. But at least we know that the thing is working. I will have to turn the amplification or the gain around to see which direction it actually increases the gain when I have the thing. Alright, at least now we do know that this works, and we will be able to make this work. Just need to figure out which direction the gain needs to go. We'll come back in a few minutes.
Kéne a töltője a gépnek, botok. Csak hol van?
Ott van.
Úgy, hát igen, igen. Igen.
A szakács, neki kéne ezt megkövetelni, hogy jó legyen.
Remélem a kutya nem basszít el.
Már ha nem is igen, de legalább követelni, hogy csinálják, érted?
Hát igen, én már teljesen abba a hitben vagyok, hogy ugye
Köszi. Alright. So what are the next steps? Alright. Maybe. Ground. It was 2.80 something. 2.80 something volts. So I should now be able to ask for the code. I don't know if I can. There's no voltage in this bridge. So I think the gain is this one here. This is the gain, I think. I think should be something. What a rate. Actually, it's 995, 996, 995. This is 1700. So the gain is like 1000. Now it's actually showing interesting. Yeah, let it be at 1000. All right. So yeah, and make sure just on the time that we are putting out decent data, not some garbage. So just do 20 volts. Do not want to fuck the Wemos up. 2.83. Alright, I think that will be decent. I think that will be decent. Or maybe I will have to lower it. I don't know if the voltage will go up or will go in. Well, maybe it will go down. We have to. Point. I don't understand. It says it's 2.6, but I don't believe him. This is so fucking annoying. Nothing very well. The fuck is up? Oh great. Did I fuck something up? No, it came off the fucking hoop. This is what I tell you. Or hello? Is this on? Hello? What's up? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. .8 watts, then nothing. From 1 second to the other, nothing. Great. Love it. If I start to come here and turn this knob here, other than the whole board running to fucking fall on its side. This board is so fucking annoying, man. I will fucking take a little fucking bitch cunt. fuck you. Fuck yourself. Hot glue this little fucking idiot bitch to the fucking cardboard box. And not going to fuck with me, you little bitch ass. It was working fine until now. I'm interested to see if it still puts out something. What is the board? Did the power sensor for the pressure sensor get like fucked again or something? I don't know. Might be the case. Who knows? I really hope it's not the case. I really hope it's not the case. Let's put some craft on here. Levels, alright. This would be we should be seeing, I think it's, this is the plus, but I will go to the this one and this one. Alright. This one. It's supposed to be good. And I don't know what the fuck is up with this board. So if you're putting out correct values, I don't know what. Let's stop. There's my pressure tube. I will glue this here, I don't care. Glue this somewhere here, I don't fucking care. This is so damn fucking annoying. Take the power off. Alright. 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 It's very lovely to alright. Okay. Turn the power off. I don't need it. Anyways. Okay, now that the board is secured and not hanging in the free air for now, hopefully it will cure. I do not give a flying fuck about it. Can I adjust the knob now without actually fucking... Oh yeah, hell yeah, how lovely, it's so easy now. Maybe it's a little, should be illegal. Okay. Alright. So do it for the fucking 6th time this day. Oh yeah, this is why I need the power. Actually, because I supply the power to the PSU, which in fact powers my board. Okay. Okay, this guy is powered on. The one thing that I did not power on, alright, turn the guy off, then it dies, alright, put the power out to the line, okay, alright, 20 volts, I can power the guy on, we have the power to here, we have the power to here, yes, I can, we have the power there. It's supposed to be reading some voltage here. If not, then I don't know what's up. We're not. Interesting. Very interesting. Point. I don't know. I don't know what's up. The green or brown. Brown and the this is supposed to be the pressure pipe. So this is supposed to go higher than the this too, you know. And then the difference. I don't know. Literally have no fucking clue what's going on. Fuck. You retard. Why? Went up to 5, but I suppose it's not because I have done anything, it's just... Cool work. Nothing. Nothing. I don't care. I get it. I don't understand. It was perfectly fine and working till this point. Now what the fuck? I don't fucking get it. I don't care. I don't get it. Can't even get my screwdriver into the hole. Can I get into the node, for fuck's sake? Thank God. I don't get any fucking voltage. How good is this? It's supposed to be fucking 2 volts. I don't understand. It's supposed to be 2 point something volts. This is just so fucking retarded. Guess if I blow on the fucking tube, then it will not do any difference, will it? 14. Nothing. Either the board is fucked now. I mean, I would be fucking, honestly fucking surprised if anything would fucking happen in bed. I'm starting to get fucking pissed off at this fucking shit, honestly. For fuck's sake. Is anything fucking happening here? For fuck's sake. Honestly, I would be surprised if anything would fucking working with this shit. Honestly, just... This is fucking ground. This shit is measuring 17 fucking volts when there's no fucking voltage difference. This is how accurate this fucking shit is. I don't care about this dog shit fucking... Take this out. Fuck you. I will just test it with the... Just test it, not tool. I will blow into the tube. I think it just sent 0.2 watt difference. Whatever. Great. Is there power? Yeah. There is power. Take this bitch. Alright. How fucking annoying are you? Oh, the retarded little cunt. This is the power. Oh. Oh, I should be not reading this. I should be reading this. And this. Five point 87.
Fuck you. Honestly. Great. There is no voltage difference. Fucking hell. Why can't I fucking measure this shit out? Ugh.
It went down a bit, for fuck's sake. Getting the saliva into the fucking tube again.
Yeah, so it shows that there is what is difference between the two racks.
Yes, it's working. This shit board is not working. Either I'm not turning the pins or the pot meters the right direction, and I'm just very amateur, which I can be, and that could be the problem. I can't even get the fucking tool off this shit, and this is getting all my saliva into the fucking tube. Or the getting it off from the pressure sensor. Out of the pressure sensor, more accurately. Fuck. So I have actually measured out the what's this, the pressure sensor, and find it is doing okay. But now the fucking board is the board is either not wanting to work because it is shit, or I don't know what's up. It used to see put out 2.8 something watts default between the pins of it, the output of the thing, and now it's actually I will measure it again, but it went down. It's jumping all over the fucking place. So fucking annoying, I wanna just fucking yell. What a fucking bitch. Shit. Retard. Bitch. Ah. Fucking. Just wanna fucking smash something when I'm just pissed off as fuck. Just fucking pissed off, man. Just honestly just fucking pissed off. I have pressed it into the fucking cardboard box, and since then it is like it has been fogged. This is so shit. I don't know if I'm just fucking shit and alright. So technically, if we could, but how the fuck did I? So technically, we could share the power with him, and the ground as well. I think the ground as well. And then we wouldn't need to ground him to the board. No, we would need to ground him to the board still, regardless of that. I suppose we would need to ground him still to the board, because this would go to the board, this would go to this. We do not need. We would need this and this. Yes, we would need these two. We can put this one, or V minus, I do not fucking know. So, from 12 volt as well. Alright. VS, 12 volt, ground is ground, sources yes. Board, same vein, okay. Minus on the board to ground, ground the same ground. Yes, still keep both to ground. Short its inputs. V out to ground. V out shouldn't sit near ref. Right, so I think I will change the ref to the, so this will go to the ground. You could push it on, and the ref will go to V minus, will go to the, wait a fucking minute, this is not V ref. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. maybe this... I really hope I did not fuck the board up. Because this... Oh my god. Alright, I will take this off. So the ground of this will not go to here. I will need another cable which will replace this. Power should not come from here either. So it's supposed to go from there with the help of this. So this is supposed to be the power. I'll put the power to this. Real retard if I can. If I could. I mean, of course I can't. Because it is. Why would it work? Hey, why would the fuck would anybody work? Oh, lovely. Alright. This is a jack shit connection here. I will go get myself another Vago. Now we can continue the suction. Alright. It's supposed to be the two wires that we have. These fuckers should be connected because this is the ground. I think this can be removed. Yes, this can be removed. I can put the brown to here, if I can find it. Brown to here, and I can put it in. Alright, I think this will do. And then now I would need, I don't know, can this shit clip onto this? Or is it just a shit? It can. It holds on pretty well. Surprisingly well. So yeah. Let's power him up. Right, purple off. Purple off. Purple and red should both to be together, but I am not a fan, so I will take the guy off. At least I thought so. But I will take the guy off. It's not fucking... Fuck you. All right. Thank fucking God you came off, you little bitch. Okay, sure as hell the good wires are not not here. Okay, everybody wants to fall down. Okay, don't need these. I need one of these. Purple. Purple is what we have. Please cut my fucking fingers. Fuck off. Alright, there's my rubber. One. Two. Put the other one here. Great. Put the other one here. Fuck off. I think I'll use another one. Orange, red. Let's go with the red. Alright, we have these two shit. V out, ground. If I put the power on, I'm supposed to be able to measure some voltage. If I don't, then I'm going to call it today, I don't care. At this point I do not give a fuck. Maybe I should blank, yeah, maybe I will blank this one off. Come off. Oopsie. Alright. So that he doesn't change his mind in terms of coming out of the fucking alligator clip. And this will definitely not come out. Alright, we have the power, we have this. Oh yeah, we have this, we have this, we have the power. That's right. Alright. 4 volts. I don't know what the fuck is happening. Is drawing 0.3 amps. I mean 0.003 amps. So I really hope this is okay. So let's see. This is the, what is this? The signal leg ground. 4.9. What the fuck? That's not too good. Just don't tell me that I fucked this up as well. What is this warming? This is fucked as well. Honestly, I'm just fucking pissed off. Minus 100 bucks out the fucking door. I'm just, honestly, just fuck me. Just fucking shoot me in the fucking head. Honestly, just fucking shoot me in the head. Connected in parallel. 4 volts of fucking power, and they drew 0.16 something fucking amps, even though this fucking shit power supply was set to 0.1 fucking max, and it's still, this is a fucking retarded piece of shit fucking power supply as well. Great, great, how lovely, how lovely. And not just the fucking trash. This is trash. Trash as well. Fuck. Great. So the resistance is fucked again. Shut the fuck up. Great. Great. Good to know. Good to know that this is shit as well. Good to know. Let me power him on. 12.2. I don't know. Let's see. Last fucking try. So I have the ground, which is supposed to be the other way around. I don't know when I fucked him, because it was good. So between these two legs, they're supposed to be 5.87. And these legs, 5.87. So I do not understand why then between these legs, they're supposed to be 12 volts, 11.74. So then it is not fog on paper. We'll have to check though, I'm not so sure.
Right. See, let's see.
Still works. I mean, then I just had a fake panic attack. Alright.
Raging effect. Rage.
It still works. Then I do not understand why the fuck does this not. I don't understand then why this doesn't work. But I don't want to put them parallel because they draw too much current. Should we risk it? The problem is that if I turn this shit off, this shit is powered from this fucking rail as well. So this is supposed to, the ground should come in here, and the V in, which is the purple, should go into the other. And if I turn the power on, for fuck's sake, then it's supposed to not do this. 4.2, 3. Fucking hell, man. 0.2. 3.3, 15. I don't know. But what the fuck does. I don't like this sound. It makes a ticking sound. I don't like that. I will take him off. This is so fucking annoying, man. I really hope I did not fuck him up. Alright, it's supposed to still work with this. Yes, it still works. This bitch draws too much current or I don't know what. So minus, right. Right. This works. This bitch doesn't, I don't know. I'm a bit worried because I have been able to test out the pressure sensor and it is still working. I thought it died, but it didn't. And I have powered them both, meaning the AD board and the pressure sensor with one valve from the same power supply, 12 volts, and I have adjusted the current limit to 0.1 amps, then 0.2 amps, then 0.3 amps. But even at 0.3 amps it is limited at by current, and it cannot go above like 4 volts or something like that. And should I increase the power to 0.4 amps or what should I do? Because I'm a bit afraid that I will kill the AD board. I have no fucking clue what I'm doing here. Have no clue. Maybe the pressure sensor. But the pressure sensor alone doesn't draw that much current. $400, $70, $80, $90, $500, $10, $15, $16, $518, $19. Még annyit se húz ki. Csak kíváncsiságból a másikat, hogyha beindítom, az működik. Lehet, hogy csak fake izé ez, hogy itt van a cucc, azt lehet, hogy jó is lehet, hogy semmi baj nincs. Spels. Kell ez, kell ez. Grund. Hiszem a harmadik legaz. Össze hajtogatónál. És a jobb oldal a ground-dal ellentétes lába izé. Szóval a ground a kivágott láb, de nem is volt rajta, hát ez remek. Alright, let's test. Let's see if this does anything besides doing bullshit. Alright. I'm really curious. I haven't tested the voltage, but I'm actually curious what it will do or not do. Alright, we have both of them. Point. I'm gonna make this to point 1. Boom. Point 2. Let's see. So we do not measure this, we measure this. Alright. Measure between the leg and the stuff. 2. No, it's supposed to be more than 2. 5.87. 5.80. Oopsie. 87. If I suck on this. full with my fucking saliva, man. Great process. Great progress. Yes. Right. Mm. Hmm? This works as well, it seems. So maybe we did not trash out $50. Can I just power this bitch from the power supply without actually getting this in here? So can I just put the power supply there? Power him on, maybe, without these. Yeah. Fiddling around, fiddling around now. I can see it. Alright. Alright, let's see. Let's see if the ED can be powered with 12 volts and 0.1 amps. Probably draw too much current. Nope. It starts to tick, which is not a good sign. I don't think that it is like I don't think that it's supposed to do that. I think it's not rated for 12 volts. Maybe it's fucked. It started ticking. Yeah. I think it's the AD who does this. I have powered him on with the 12 volts and I have noticed this when it ran from this dual Vago setup that it started to click or like do like little ticking, and I think it's not supposed to go with 12 volts, or I mean it's not definitely not rated for it because it doesn't wanna do. And the good thing is I have noticed that the second power pressure sensor that I have told you about is was like 160 I don't know watt ohm. The second, the first one was that, and the second from 1000 something fell off to 516 ohms or some shit, and both of them actually still work. Even the first one, which had like pretty low resistance. It actually draws 2 milliamperes. Both of them actually draw 2 milliamperes, and even the first one, which we thought it was shit, actually showed the voltage was both on both legs when it was powered. It was 5.87, both of them, and when I sucked on the tube, both of them, both the signals moved 1 millivolt, or yeah, 1 millivolt, or fuck, is it 10 millivolts up and down on both directions, just as with the second one. So I guess that's a good thing. Maybe we could power it from the Wemos. It's supposed to. Where the fuck is the black wire? Here. Maybe this. Supposed not to go. We're going to try this last thing, which is this. I do not care about you. Thank you for your understanding and well-working behavior. Alright. I might go into train. I might go train. Yeah, I might go train. Well, I wanna do this so that I can check that if this shit works or not. It would be so good if it worked. So I have these two wires, which is what we want. This supposed to not be here. This is not the right wire. This is actually the wrong wire. I don't. Where the fuck is? Wait a minute. Oh, I know. I think this is. Oh, is it for? Oh yeah. Yes, I have taken this off. So I could replace this. Put this in there. With the 5 watts. So 5 watts and ground. I really hope that only was noise, not like some wattage shit. Alright, so if we have the ground and this, we will have the 2 wires here. This goes here, this comes here. We can provide the 12 volts to these guys. Sure. Power you on. Ground is here. I think it's the opposite of ground, which we should be looking for. This is the good sensor. These 2 wires which will be measure. And I think it's supposed to be 2 watts or something like that. We produce other things away for now. We do not need this wire here. Doesn't do us any justice for now. Okay, we can measure these 2 wires. Alright. If we power him on, we should be seeing a little 4 amp, 4 milliamps of current draw, but I think that's okay. We should be getting. Oh, I think I will power this guy on. I hope the LED board is not totally fucked. It doesn't tick, so that's a good sign. Though I'm not totally sure. 1 point. Actually, there's something, so. There is a bit of movement. Like 58, 59. Somehow, maybe, can suck on the tube. Yeah, I see what's happening. This shit came off the wire. My hand is getting fucking... Oh. Saliva was dripping. I can push it down a bit, but not much. Fucking hell. Fingers are getting jagged. Oh, there's full saliva bridging inside. That's why I can't drink those shit. I will take to like shut this off. Have to come up with a way. Tomorrow I will have to figure out how to do fucking adjust the sensitivity of this shitty AD620 fucking board and great. Hopefully I will be able to. I mean I have done it before, so I'm pretty confident I will be able to do it. It's just about alright. I'm glad that both of the sensors are working. Thank God, at least some good news. I was really fucking pissed off. Alright, at least that's a good news that both of them are working. The bad news is that the fucking... What is this? The printer is not working now. So yes, they are working. The only problem is that... whatever. So yeah, I think this is it for today. I have sucked it off. I haven't done jack shit. I mean, at least I have known that I will have to get this shit AD board with the amplifier set on, or like, I don't know, adjusted, so I know which like things I'm doing, or I don't know, whatever. So you get the point. I will have to calibrate so that the drive will be able to work. So yes, oopsie. in theory it works, so that I will have to adjust them both to see which one is which. Then I will have to figure this shit out. This is it for today.